Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all good. Okay, children, let us start the class. So before that, I am going to ask some new questions, children. What is the chapter going on? Chapter name is subtraction up to 20. Okay, subtraction up to 20. Chapter name is subtraction up to 20. In this, what is meant by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. The symbol of subtraction is minus. And what is the result of subtraction? Difference. Result of subtraction is difference. So in subtraction up to 20 chapter, we have completed vertical subtraction, subtraction on abacus, subtraction on number line, and subtraction of one digit number from two digit number. These all we completed. Yes or no, children? Now the next concept is cross out the lines to find the difference. Cross out the lines to find the difference. See, children, 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5. This one how to do in the sense, you have to take 17 lines. You have to take 17 lines. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like this, you have to take 17 lines. In this, you should cross 5. You have to cross 5. Here are words. Where are words, children? One second. From last onwards, you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after crossing 5 numbers, how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. 17 minus 5, 12. Like this also you can do, children. 7 minus 5. Open 7 fingers. Open 7 fingers, close 5. 2. And you can bring down 1. So 17 minus 5, 12. 17 minus 5, 12. One more. 18 minus 4. 16 minus 3. 18 minus 4. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, in this, how many should cross? 4 you have to cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after crossing 4, how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 18 minus 4, 14. 18 minus 4, 14. Now 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3. Take 16, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have taken 16 lines. In that, 3 I should cross. Let's cross the lines, children. 1, 2, 3. Now how many left over? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 16 minus 3, 13. So this is the method of cross out the lines to find the difference. Cross out the lines to find the difference. Like this you can do, and one more like this also. Already we did. Without taking the lines also, first you have to subtract ones place digits, then tens place digits. So here in the tens place not there any number. First ones place we should subtract. 8 minus 4. Open 8 fingers. Open 8 fingers. Close 4. Open 8 fingers, close 4. So the answer is 4. Answer is 4. and bring down 1. So 18 minus 4, 14. Now 9 minus 2. Open 9 fingers. Open 9 fingers. Close 2. Open 9 fingers. Close 2. 2. So the answer is 7. Answer is 7 and bring down this one. Did you understand, children? 19 minus 2 and what difference between these two? What did you observe? Here we have taken the lines. There we did with fingers. Okay? So now here are there word problems, children. Let us see those all in subtraction chapter. Subtraction word problems, how it will be. See here, Sandy had 9 apples. Sandy had 9 apples. She gave 3 apples. She gave 3 apples to her sister. She gave 3 apples to her sister. How many apples are left with her now? How many apples left with her now? See, children, Sandy had 9 apples. She gave 3 apples to her sister. How many apples left with her now? How many apples left with her? First, Sandy is having 9 apples. She gave in that 3 apples to her sister. So after giving, how many left over with Sandy? See, children, ones, tens. So 9 is single digit number. We have to write like this under ones place. Next, how many she gave? 3 she gave. So 3. 9 minus 3. Open 9 fingers. Open 9 fingers. Close 3. Open 9 fingers. Close 3. What is the leftover number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Did you understand the word problem, children? Number stories also we can say. Sandy had 9 apples. She gave 3 apples to her sister. Now, how many apples left with her now? 9 minus 3, 6. Okay, children. So next problem. Next one is Deepak had, second one, Deepak had 15 oranges. Deepak had 15 oranges. 2 of them got rotten. 2 of them got rotten. Rotten in the sense spoiled. Those oranges are spoiled. We cannot eat those. 2 of them are rotten. Now how many oranges are left with her now? How many oranges left with her now? See the question, children. Deepak had 15 oranges. 15, 2 digit number. Deepak had 15 oranges. 2 of them got rotten. Rotten means those in that 15 oranges, 2 oranges are rotten. It's spoiled. We cannot eat those. Okay. 2 of them rotten. Now, how many oranges left with her now? In 15, 2 oranges spoiled means Remaining how many are there? Remaining how many oranges are there? Take 15, 2-digit number, and in that how many rotten? 2 oranges rotten, that 2 right in the ones place because that is 1-digit number. Now you can subtract 5 minus 2 first. 5 minus 2. Open 5 fingers, close 2. Open 5 fingers, close 2. How many remaining? 3. Remaining 3. And you can write this one. So 15 minus 2, 13. 15 minus 2, 13. Did you understand this one? So Deepak had 15 oranges. In that 2 oranges are rotten. So 15 minus 2 how much? 13. Okay children? So one more word problem we will see. Then you can understand more examples if you practice. If you understood, also more. So last word problem. Abhinav. Abhinav had 17 apples. Abhinav had 17 apples. He ate 6 of them. He ate 6 of them. How many apples are left with him? Now, how many apples are left with him? Now, how many apples are left with him? See children again, read the word problem. Abhinav had 17 apples. Abhinav had 17 apples. He ate 6 of them. He is having 17 apples. In that 6 he ate. Now how many apples are left with him? If he ate 6 apples in that 17, how many left over? Shall we do subtraction? Take 2-digit number 17 and he ate 6 in that. So 17 minus 6. First subtract ones place digits. 7 minus 6. Open 7 fingers. Close 6. Open 7 fingers. Close 6. Open 7 fingers. Close 6. So 1. 7 minus 6, 1. And bring down this one. So 17 minus 6, 11. 17 minus 6, 11. Understood children word problems how to do? So you have to read that word problem thoroughly, then only you can understand that. So till now we have completed many concepts in the subtraction chapter. Subtraction on number line, subtraction on abacus, vertical subtraction, horizontal subtraction, and number stories. These all we completed. Yes, no children? So after completion of this children, how much you understood? If you go through the textbook, these exercises only are there. So how much you understood? If you go through the textbook, you can do the exercises. Yes or no children? So these all exercises are there in the textbook children. If you open the math textbook, just numbers only changes are there. So you can understand. By completing those exercises, how much you understood, you can find. So after completion of the class, if you have the books, open the books and complete the exercise children. In the next class, we will start the next chapter. I hope you all understood. Thank you.